In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the tracking module to record time in preparation for invoicing. So the tracking module has a reporting option, and if you go into this screen, you will see tasks on the right hand side and filters on the left hand side. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the date, because I know my tasks go back further than that, and press the refresh button. And what Amanda is doing here, it's showing tasks which have been marked as completed, is showing tasks which have been marked as started, and tasks which are marked as not started. And as you can see, some of the tasks have had time recording details set against them already. Now, one thing to note here is that if you have a task that is marked started, it isn't possible to amend it. So what a lot of organisations do, they have instructed their employees to record their time, but not to actually mark it as started. And then when the manager reviews the time, and it may well be the manager who makes the decision about whether or not how much of the work is chargeable, that they actually go ahead and mark the task to be started. So to do that, you click on the button, pick from this purple batch here, and then those will be marked as started and not editable. Now, on these two here, these ones are marked as not started and they haven't had any time recorded against them. So that means if you wanted to, you would be able to change the date, and you can certainly go in and put in a quantity. So I'm going to put in 9 hours there, but I'm going to say that only 7 were chargeable. And then what Amanda will do, using the rates and charges list which has been allocated to that project, it will calculate the value of 7 hours of that particular task type and come up with an amount. So if for whatever reason you are not happy with that amount, it can't be edited. What you need to do is adjust the chargeable value here until you get the rate that you actually want. So having done that, I'm going to mark that one completed, and I'm also going to put in some data for this one. I'm just going to put in the same there. Okay, and then I'm going to mark it completed. Now, what we've got at the bottom here, this is what I have referred to in a previous video as a record in waiting. So you can tell that it's not a valid record because valid records have to have text. Okay, so what this has done, it's copied the line above in respect of the customer and the project, and it's waiting for you to enter data if you want. So to all intents and purposes, this can be ignored. It's just a fast reporting tool that has been put in. There's another option, first of all I'm going to say, that can be quite useful. If you show the subtotals, what it will do, it will give you totals for activities on a daily basis. So for instance, with this 605, it's the total of these tasks that have been recorded on the same day. So that is how you enter details of tasks that have been completed, and you want to record the time and the chargeable amount, getting ready to do the invoicing, which will be on the next video.